Last year, I ended up in the hospital twice because my mental health, it wasn't good. I was starting to get migraines that were being induced by stress. And all of the stress came from my job as a creator. And very clearly, I am not alone because there was enough data that Later.com could put together an entire report about creator mental health. It's honestly so crazy how so many of us creators feel so alone, and yet we all experience the same things. For example, look at this. These are all of the factors negatively impacting creator mental health. Number 1, pressure to grow your following. Comparing yourself to others, round-the-clock creativity and originality. Like, these are all things that I feel probably every single day. In this one right here, 40% of the creators they surveyed said they felt this. And I honestly feel like the other 60% were lying. I think another big issue with creators is authenticity, this cost of being authentic, judgment from others, dealing with negative comments, having absolutely no privacy or boundaries. And surprisingly, one that I actually relate to probably the most on this list is that sharing is not helpful. And I talk to so many creators about this, like, no one cares what I share. Like, what's the point of me sharing this? Am I really making a difference? Almost 30% of the creators that they surveyed felt that way. They also gave all of these different options on how creators actually maintain good mental health. But down here, this is what really was surprising to me. 65% of creators said that they still struggle with taking breaks and time off. Me. Hi. Hello. It's me. I'll tell you too, I think one of the best things that we can do as creators when we get to a point where this really is running as a business for us, maintaining good health, your number 1 tip here is to outsource. I just hired a new VA in the last week, and just in the past couple of days that she's done work for me, the amount of less stress that I've felt is just truly worth every penny. And also dogs do that same thing for me. I have been volunteering at the animal shelter, walking dogs, and it's so great because I get out in nature, I get to hang out with dogs, I get slobbered on all over my face. It is the best thing ever. But can we all just agree that this is like so crazy to see that every other creator is feeling the same way that we're feeling? So we are not alone.